So you wanted to see my sewing room. This is the doorway. It's just a bedroom. And I walk straight into my ironing station. I have a hutch with quilt tops waiting to be quilted and a wall of embroidery hoops and rulers and miscellaneous. As I turn this way, you see my design wall, my thread rack, my sewing machine, the chair between my two machines, my Sweet 16 free motion quilting machine, and my Bernina regular domestic machine. As I come into the room, it's a little tight right here, but you know, if I suck in my stomach, I can make it fine. I have a cover stitch machine and my old Singer right here. And I also do my office work in here. So I have my computer there. I have a little design area there for me to play with before I actually decide how I'm going to put things together for the actual quilt. I use my AccuQuilt a lot. I don't always have it out. It kind of slides in over here by my other machines when I'm not using it. I was able to get that Go to Sisters Quilt Show in 2001. So that's a special memory for me. Some books and my design wall. I have kind of a stack of flannel back tablecloths hanging there that I can design on. I'm not going to open my closet door because the fabric may fall out, but that's where I do store the bulk of my fabric. Okay, I hope you enjoy. I'd love you to come sew with me.